Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Compliment of the season. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this delicious vanilla cake which I'm about gifting out. Let's get started. For our wet ingredients, I'll be using 6 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 350 grams of butter. I'm using margarine, and 1 cup of milk. And for our dry ingredients, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. With some oil. I have my vegetable oil here, so I'll use it and grease the pan. After greasing the pans, I'll set them aside and then continue with the dry ingredients. I'll also set it aside and continue with the wet ingredients. I will add the butter and also the sugar and mix them very well until they become soft and fluffy. It wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I had to remove it and continue without it. After mixing the butter and sugar very well, this took me about 6 minutes. I'll then start adding the eggs one after the other. That's add one, mix it a bit, then add the other one, and I'll continue like that until I add the 6 eggs into the mixture. Next, I'll add the vanilla essence and mix. It is now time to add the flour mixture. That is the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. I'll add it bit by bit. And at this point also, I'll be adding the milk bit by bit also. As I add the flour, I'll mix, add, mix, add, mix, and continue like that until we are done with our flour and milk. Our cake batter is ready to be scooped into the baking pans and baked. The oven is already preheating, so let's go and bake our cake. And here is our beautiful and delicious vanilla cake, which can serve as a gift item this season. The cake came out very well and delicious, yummy. I hope you give this a try. Anybody you give this will be so happy. Yeah, the people I gave it are so happy. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.